Welcome to this video on Git Gitflow Workflow. Gitflow is a structured branching model designed to enhance team collaboration and streamline release management. Let's explore how it can improve your development process. Gitflow is a branching model for Git that provides a structured framework for managing larger projects. It was created by Vincent Dreesen in 2010, defining specific branch roles and rules. Gitflow is optimized for planned release cycles, providing a clear separation between development and production code. It helps teams manage features, releases, and hotfixes in an organized and efficient manner. In Gitflow, the foundation consists of two core branches: master and develop. The master branch contains production-ready code. All code in this branch should be stable and ready for release. It represents the official release history, where each commit signifies a production release. Direct commits to master are restricted. The develop branch is where ongoing development takes place. It serves as the integration branch, containing the latest development changes. Feature branches are branched off from here, making it the bleeding edge of the project. Feature branches are used to develop new features for upcoming or future releases. They always branch from the develop branch, allowing for isolated development of individual features. The naming convention for these branches is typically feature/feature name. Once a feature is complete, it is merged back into the develop branch. Feature branches usually exist only in developer repositories, ensuring a clean and organized central repository. Release branches support the preparation of a new production release. They branch from the develop branch and merge into both master and develop. The naming convention is typically release/x.y.c. Only bug fixes, documentation, and release-oriented tasks are allowed in release branches, with no new features introduced at this stage. Hotfix branches are used to quickly patch production releases. They are unique as they fork directly from the master branch. When a critical bug is identified in production, a hotfix branch is created to address it. This branch merges back into both master and develop after the fix. The naming convention for hotfix branches is usually hotfix/x.y.c. Hotfix branches have a higher priority than other branches as they address critical issues in the production environment and creates a new version tag. Gitflow provides a set of commands to streamline the workflow. To start, initialize Gitflow if you haven't already. Then initialize the repository. For feature branches, use Gitflow feature start name to begin a new feature, and Gitflow feature finish name to complete it. Similarly, Gitflow release start version and Gitflow hotfix start version are used to start release and hotfix branches, respectively. Without the Gitflow extension, use git checkout develop, and then git checkout b feature/name for new branch creation, followed by a merge using git merge noff feature/name. To make the most of Gitflow, adopt the best commit practices by writing meaningful commit messages, keeping commits focused, and committing regularly. In branch management, delete branches after merging, use descriptive branch names, and keep feature branches short-lived. Implement code reviews before merging to develop using pull or merge requests and enforce review standards. To ensure smooth collaboration, document the workflow for the team, communicate branch creations, and coordinate release schedules. Gitflow offers a clear separation between development and production code, parallel development with minimal conflicts, structured release management, a well-defined process for hotfixes, and it's excellent for planned release cycles. However, it can be complex for small projects, add overhead for continuous delivery models, has a steeper learning curve for Git beginners, is less flexible for rapid iteration cycles, and may slow down development in some contexts. Use Gitflow for projects with scheduled release cycles, teams with dedicated quality assurance processes, software that requires version maintenance, and larger teams with multiple contributors. As alternatives to Gitflow, GitHub Flow offers a simpler workflow focused on continuous delivery, where features branch from main and merge back after review. GitLab Flow combines feature branches with environment branches, adding production and pre-production branches. Trunk-based development emphasizes small, frequent commits to the main branch. In summary, Gitflow provides a robust branching model for projects with scheduled release cycles. It is ideal for teams with planned releases as it provides clear processes for all scenarios. Choose the workflow that best fits your project's specific needs. Some further resources are Atlassian Gitflow tutorial, Gitflow cheat sheet, and Vincent Dreesen's blog. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.